welcome back to the channel. In this vlog we explore in a slightly different way, by car, by plane and by boat, in search of the sun. And I don't know about you, but we think the best way to start off your holiday is with an extremely early McDonald's breakfast.
Very carefully selecting what I want.
After breakfast we arrive at Gatwick and make our way over to the bag drop-off area. I'm not sure how long Dora's going for, as I've only packed for 10 days. I think she's going for 10 months.
Got my coffee. We're going to set up base camp now so that Dora can go off and explore, and I'll be happy just sat there with my coffee, probably whack my AirPods in and wait for the gate to be called. Happy days.
Here he comes.
Here he is.
I feel like we've walked halfway there already.
It's quite sunny, I think we might be there.
What's on the menu then?
Just checking they've got coffee. It looks like they have. Although I am suspecting it's more of an instant variety, so...
They've got a gluten-free vegan lasagna that I might be having for my lunch.
You bloody not. Have you seen the price of it?
I'm worth £7.
You have a bag of crisps and be happy. Look at it. Yes, please.
We had perfect weather for the flight and took in the views, but the most exciting thing I was waiting for was Dora's most expensive lasagna.
When my long-awaited lasagna arrived, it didn't quite look like the picture, but it did taste good. If you recognise this island, can you let us know its name in the comments? The Suez Canal, which separates Africa from Asia, was quite a breathtaking sight from the air. After only 10 years of excavation, the original canal opened, can you believe it, in 1869.
We've made it onto the coach. Look at that sun behind us. We've got Dora at the front here. Look, we've had to have separate seats because of our hand luggage. I've been replaced with some hand luggage.
Yeah.
Some bloke's left his jacket behind. The jacket's appeared, now the bloke's gone missing, so we're waiting for him and then we're going to a hotel. We're stop number 1. Straight in there hopefully. 27 degrees currently, and they've already told us it's going to be 35 tomorrow. What are you saying?
Can't wait to get in the pool.
That's what we're saying.
Our travel rep explained that all the construction going on was in aid of the COP27 summit, which was due to take place a couple of weeks after we visited. There were lots of friendly workmen and they were working well into the night and didn't seem to have a lot of safety gear. You can see the building here. Security is taken very seriously in Sharm El Sheikh, but we've always found all the hotel resort staff really welcoming and appreciative of the tourism and the employment that brings.
Oh, and a top tip for you. It's always a good idea to pack a few British pound coins that you can use to tip the driver and the hotel staff because they really appreciate it.
This is nice. It is hot. You're in Egypt, love. Very nice. You can't get out, can you? Oh my word. Wow.
Here he is with his second course. So, talk me through what you've got.
First of all, thank you for asking. A little bit on the side of stuffed peppers, stuffed tomato.
Looks good.
And then from the barbecue outside, and there's a guy out there making fresh naan bread as well.
Oh.
Yes. Literally just watched him make this.
Yeah, how good is it?
So good.
Right, get eating.
After a long day of travelling, we watched the sunset over the mountains and got ourselves an early night.
One of the things we love about this hotel is the in-resort water park. I counted at least 12 different water slides. There's also the lazy river, which is our particular favourite. We like to set up camp in one of the cabanas and chill out there, dipping in and out of water slides and pools all day. There's a brilliant kids pool area. And there's even a wave pool.
Right, so we're just taking Dora on the slides. We're just making sure she's tall enough. Do you meet the requirements?
Yes, I do. I am tall enough.
You sure?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, off you go then. It's actually much higher as you go up. It's actually much higher as you go up. Also, the wood on the step is so hot on your feet. You literally have to run between the shady bits and the sunny bits. Hop, hop, hop.
So now it's my turn on the water slide. Either that or Beth needs to shave her legs. So after a full day of relaxing in the sun, it was time for dinner. I find the best thing to do is wander around, get your bearings, look at all the various options, and then just decide to go a little bit over the top and eat pretty much everything. At least then you know where you are for the rest of the week. Does anybody else go a little bit over the top in the first few days? Let us know in the comments.
There she is, look.
We try to control ourselves, and that said, the hotel does do its best to encourage people not to waste food.
In the evening, the hotel puts on different entertainment each night. Let's just say it's unique. That's the only way I can describe it. The sunrise in the morning over the Red Sea was always as impressive as the sunset the night before. Some of us were never up to see it. When I say some of us, you know I mean Dora. I couldn't get her out of bed.
Another reason we love this resort is the fact that you can access the sea so easily from the hotel beach, and from there you can see an amazing array of reef fish. Trust me, this is going to be amazing. Please let us know in the comments if you can identify any of these beautiful fish. We stayed in the sea for hours, but eventually we did need to get out and dry off. Every time we left the beach or the water park to go back to our room, we were greeted with some towel art. The elephant was a real clear winner. Ricky really took a shine to that one. But then, as the week wore on, the towel art got more extravagant, and then it just got to be a bit of a mess. And yeah, Ricky kind of lost interest. They're actually fresh petals. What do you think about the love sign?
Very nice. Can you get me a towel, please?
Oh, okay. Love is dead in this room.
Dora's put something on her legs. Any minute now, I'll be lobbing Dora straight into the water. I've got a coffee, look. Couldn't be happier.